Welcome to Power Tax Relief, the most trusted name in tax relief, because the relief is real.
We ended up taking our $140,000 in tax debt and paid it off for $20,000.
$20,000.
Yeah.
Power Tax Relief, they're the people that can help you out of your tax problem. They did a good job. They do a great job.
And the outcome of my case, $22,000 debt, settled for $1,000.
I was speaking to a friend of mine, and he happened to work part-time for the IRS in Georgia, and he recommended Power Tax. He said, this is a very good operation. I've seen their work before. I think they could help you out.
When I found out that I was in debt to the NCDOR for $140,000, I really didn't know what to do. I was beside myself. We gave a quick call to Power Tax Relief, really just because we saw the commercial and nobody else would help us. We decided to give it a chance, and it was probably the best thing that we did. It really saved our business.
We had an amount of around $150,000 that we owed, and that was it all added up with taxes and interest. And so they reduced it after they did all our paperwork. We came up with the offer and compromise, and they reduced it down to $18,000.
I got myself into a really big jam. Mine happened to be $48,000 worth. No way could I ever have paid that in my lifetime. It came down to $400. What more can I say?
Not only were they very friendly, knowledgeable, and able to explain the situations to me in a clear and concise manner, but they also brought up a couple other years that there were some problems on. And I did not know it, but due to being called up, I hadn't paid previous taxes. So I was able to get the paperwork done, and I did receive a check for $3,000 from a previous tax year.
Do yourself a favor. Call Power Tax Relief. Get them off your back. It was the best phone call that we ever made. And yeah, I got it off a commercial. And you know what? I'm proud to say it now, because I don't know how we would have done it without them.
Exactly.
Power Tax Relief, because the relief is real.